Finding the right soldering station isn't always easy, especially when you need reliable performance, fast heating, and precise temperature control. Many soldering stations may look great, but in real use, they often don't perform as expected. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best soldering stations, selected based on performance, features, and value for money, to help you choose the right one for your needs. Make sure to watch till the end to see which one is the best overall. Let's get started. Item number 5. FNIRSI DWS200 Precision Digital Soldering Station. The FNIRSI DWS200 is a powerful 200-watt precision soldering station designed for fast heating and professional electronics work. It reaches operating temperature in just seconds and offers a wide range from 200 degrees Celsius to 840 degrees for precise control. Equipped with F210 and F245 handles, plus 9 soldering tips, it supports both delicate SMD work and high-power soldering tasks. The 2.8-inch LCD display shows clear temperature data with multiple modes, including curve and preset settings for convenience. With sleep mode, auto standby, and a built-in copper transformer, it ensures efficiency, safety, and durability for long-term use. Item number 4. YIHUA 8786DI SE 2-in-1 Hot Air Rework Station. The YIHUA 8786DI SE is a versatile 2-in-1 soldering station designed for electronics repair, PCB work, and SMD rework. It combines a soldering iron and hot air rework station in one compact unit with separate digital temperature displays and adjustable controls. The soldering iron supports temperatures from 392 degrees Celsius to 896 degrees Celsius, while the hot air station ranges from 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit for precise performance. This complete kit includes solder wire, tweezers, a desoldering pump, 5 soldering tips, and 3 hot air nozzles, making it ready to use right out of the box. Smart sleep and standby modes improve safety and extend tool lifespan. Item number 3. YIHUA 853D 3-in-1 Soldering and Rework Station. The YIHUA 853D is a powerful 3-in-1 electronics repair station that combines a soldering iron, hot air rework station, and DC power supply in one compact setup. Designed for professional PCB and mobile repair, it supports precise temperature control with PID stabilization for smooth and reliable performance. The soldering iron operates from 392 degrees to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, while the hot air station offers adjustable airflow and temperatures up to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. It also includes a 0.15-volt DC power supply, a 35-volt voltage tester, and a 5-volt USB charging port for added convenience. With sleep mode and automatic shutdown, it delivers efficiency, safety, and long-lasting durability. Item number 2. Weller WE10NA Digital Soldering Station. The Weller WE1010NA is a reliable 70-watt digital soldering station designed for precision electronics work and long-lasting performance. It delivers 40% more power than previous models, allowing faster heating and smoother soldering results. The high-performance soldering iron comes with a heat-resistant silicone cable for safer and more comfortable use. With excellent temperature stability and temperature lock protection, it helps protect sensitive components while maintaining consistent performance. The station also features an LCD display, standby mode, and auto setback to save energy and extend tip life. Built for professionals and DIY users alike, the WE1010NA offers dependable performance for PCB repair, circuit work, and electronics projects. Item number 1. YIHUA 939D+3 EVO Digital Soldering Station. The YIHUA 939D+3 EVO is a powerful 110-watt digital soldering station designed for precision electronics repair and professional soldering work. It features an LCD display with dual temperature monitoring, allowing you to view both the actual and set temperatures in real time. With adjustable temperatures from 392 degrees to 896 degrees and PID temperature stabilization, it delivers smooth and accurate performance. The station includes 4 memory channels for quick temperature switching, sleep mode, and digital calibration for added convenience. It also comes with helping hands, a magnifier with LED lights, solder wire, and 3 soldering tips. Built for efficiency and precision, it's perfect for PCB repair, DIY electronics, and advanced soldering tasks. Which of these soldering stations is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.